Thank you. So first of all, welcome everybody, and I am very glad that you made the time to attend this webinar. It's not very long, and we are focusing on looking at the important trends in blockchain technology. So let's start with a reminder, what is a blockchain? So first of all, let's think of a digital database with information and with important characteristics of being decentralized. Usually when we think database, we are thinking a centralized entity. Blockchain in particular, it has this characteristic of decentralized, and in its initial design is open, it's public, accessible to everybody. The technology that is called blockchain technology is the technology that allows for creation of such a database. And the first time when this was implemented is in the context of Bitcoin, the virtual currency Bitcoin that is developed on the Bitcoin blockchain. If we think about other characteristics, we are looking at a distributed ledger. It's that decentralization where we want to think of a network of nodes equally important. And this structure is allowing for transactions being done between two parties in a very efficient and verifiable way. So let me change. Okay, so let's start navigating and looking at what are important trends in blockchain technology. The first one that we want to call out is blockchain as a service. So by now, there is enough development so that people don't have to implement from scratch all the components that are needed to come up with an application or with a blockchain or anything that has to do with this technology. So in this big trend, we have big companies, renowned companies that already have enough structures, enough development that people can use to do development in blockchain. And we have here Microsoft, Amazon, Oracle, and all these important names that are working to develop components that could be reused in blockchain technology. And like anything else in this space, the development is explosive. And just to give you an example, the other day I saw an announcement about NEO blockchain, N-E-O blockchain, which is now integrated in the .NET, Microsoft .NET space. And of course, this is just the beginning, but this is another example of this important trend when blockchain is becoming more and more like an offering as a service. The other big trend is federation. Initial thought when we were looking at blockchain developments was along the lines that blockchain is public, it's transparent, is open to everybody. At the same time, after recognizing the importance and the breakthrough type of innovation that blockchain technology is, more and more companies started developing their own blockchain, which is this other aspect, the private blockchain. And of course that in this development, it was recognized the utility of having federated blockchains, which means that a part of the blockchain is private, controlled, seen by only approved parties, and the other part could be open. Think of a company opening parts of the blockchain for customers. So this would be an example of federation. This concept, the federated blockchain, also is called Consortium. And here we have three types of consortium approaches. One is more along the lines of technology focus. The other is business focus. And the third is dual focus. It has all these components. And here in the bullets, we have a few examples. The third important trend in blockchain technology is stable coins. Let's first talk a little bit about what exactly we are talking about when we mention stable coins. We probably are familiar with the big changes in price when we think cryptocurrencies, and we probably remember how Bitcoin reached almost $20,000 US and then went back to $3,000, $4,000. So there is a lot of volatility in the prices of cryptocurrencies. And Bitcoin is just an example. We have many other examples. For the exchange, the monetary exchange to be viable and to make business sense, this volatility is an impediment. So a relatively recent development in this space is the concept of stable coins. And examples are, for instance, I'm looking at the second bullet in this page, USD coin that is launched by Coinbase. Coinbase is an exchange where you can exchange fiat with cryptocurrency. And the concept is that they created.
Hi there, I hope you enjoyed that last clip. My name is Michael Maludis, and if you'd like to watch the full 60 minutes of that last webcast, while also gaining complete unlimited access to our entire library of IT learning, simply visit our subscribe page at greatpro.org/subscribe. Unlimited annual access is $199 per year. But if you use the coupon code LEARN2EARN, you can drop that membership fee to just $149. That's less than $13 per month for unlimited access to over 1,000 hours of on-demand career development, covering the entire spectrum of IT management best practices, including business analysis and requirements, software development, quality and testing, risk management, process improvement, project management, and even digital transformation. But your membership doesn't just give you unlimited access to our vast learning library. You also get free access to our mobile app, as well as direct access to our network of over 300 of the world's leading IT consultants, all of whom are dedicated to putting practical knowledge at your fingertips so that you can learn more and earn more. I hope you will join me in becoming a member of the Great IT Professional and advancing your career with us. And if you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe button above so that you get notified whenever we publish new free webcasts each week of the year. Thank you for your time and best wishes for your continued success.